Missing someone
Good morning, how are you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm going to make French toast for the first time, and I'm just also going to show you some breakfast ideas, like some ideas how to make your bread more interesting, just generally some breakfast ideas. So stay with me on this video. So without any further ado, let me just show you the recipes of the French toast, and then we can move to making the French toast.
The recipe is bread, of course, 2 eggs, cinnamon and vanilla extract. Some people add milk, but I'm not going to add milk today, so we're just going to work with this. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, use a flat plate so that when you're dipping in your bread, it's going to be easier for you. So I'm just going to use 1 egg. Then I'm going to use the vanilla essence bottle top to measure. So I'm going to add half of the bottle top inside the egg. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Oops. So it looks, we're just going to mix everything together now. You can use butter or blue band. I'm using cooking oil. If you don't have all those, you can just use cooking oil, a little bit of it. And just like that, you have your French toast without milk. So you can have this with black tea, you can have this with tea with milk, you can have this with anything that you want.
So let's try this bread together. Let's just try it together and see. Because these things that I'm doing nowadays, Okay. Oh, let's try it together. Wow. First time making French toast, I nailed it. It tastes really good. I nailed it. I'm happy with myself. So I'm going to make myself some tea, black tea, have it with this French toast, and let me see you tomorrow. I'm going to show you another idea how you can use your white boring bread, how you can turn it into something really good.
Idea number 2 is putting avocado in your bread. Yeah, so right now avocados are in season here in Kenya, so I think you should make good use of it. If you don't have blue band, you can use avocado tastes really good and it's really healthy, so please take that avocado, make it into a sandwich, avocado bread sandwich. Okay. Idea 3, we are going to make a bread banana sandwich, but first we are going to toast the bread. Even with the avocado, the previous one that I've showed you, you can just toast the bread and put in the avocado if the bread is too plain for you. Okay. Toasting it just the way it is. Remember, you can toast it with butter, with blue band, or with cooking oil. You're not putting anything, just toasting it. So now we're going to cut the banana into little pieces, and then you're going to put it in between the bread. Banana bread sandwich, bread banana sandwich, okay? Idea number 4, this one I love. Don't waste your leftover ugali. If you're not going to cook it that same day in the evening, it might go bad, so please just use it for breakfast. We're just going to remove the hard surface. You know, when ugali sleeps, there is this hard surface. We're just going to remove that, and then we're going to cut this ugali into pieces. We're going to use 1 egg. Actually, 1 egg is more than enough. Add in salt to taste, and then mix everything together. Dip in 1 piece of ugali at a time and then put it in the hot cooking oil. just like that, you have your breakfast. Then there are things, of course, like githeri that you can boil over the weekend and have it for breakfast. And you can kill two birds with one stone and boil maize at the same time so that you have two alternatives for your breakfast. And then there is porridge also that you can have the githeri and the maize with. Very delicious, very nice. You can have the bread with the porridge too. My dad always calls them ugali and ugali because they are both from flour. Or you can treat your family to some homemade samosas. And then there are groundnuts that you can buy and have that with tea. Like this one that you're seeing here, that one goes for 10 shillings, or you can buy it in bulk and just cook it at home. This one right here, it's already cooked. And by the way, what you're seeing right there is homemade peanut butter. Most of these ladies that sell groundnuts, they always have this homemade peanut butter. So you should try it out. And then there are homemade cakes that you can make. You don't need an oven, you just need your gas or your stove, and then you're going to get this delicious cake. By the way, the full recipe is here on YouTube on my channel, just check it out. And then you can also make your mandazis at home that can last you at least 2 breakfasts. That is saving money. And lastly, there is nduma, which are arrowroots. There are sweet potatoes, which are very, very healthy, and also rice for your breakfast. Leave your comments below. Tell me, what do you normally have tea with for breakfast?
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.